Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply tags in bulk to both guardians and children using the List Guardian and the List Children's pages. This feature is helpful and will come in handy, especially when creating discounts from a service level that are linked to a tag. But you can use this for other reasons also. So let's go to the List Guardian and the List Children's pages by clicking on the Families menu, and under Guardians you're going to find List Guardians, and under Children we're going to find List Children. The step is exactly the same from both pages. So if you're applying the tag to all children in your List Children or List Guardians, you can simply tick Toggle Select All. And you can then click on Apply Tags and select the tag or tags, because you can add multiple, and click Save. It's then going to ask you to confirm that you want to apply those tags to that list of children or guardians. If you only want to select a few children or guardians, you can simply just go down the list, tick the little square boxes, and again, click Apply Tags and select the tag or tags from the drop-down menu. Switching over to the List Guardians, again, this is exactly the same. You can tick Toggle Select All, or you can pick a handful of guardians. Click Apply Tags, and again, select the tag or tags from the menu and click Save. It will always ask you to confirm, so please make sure that you are selecting the correct tag and the correct children and guardians. If you have the super user access, you will also still be able to add new tags, just like you can from the Guardian and Child Details page or from the Types menu. For further information on how to apply tags in bulk, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.